Hey, how are you guys? This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. So today we will be learn some primitive data type. Example is integer. The Java have some primitive data type which you can go online and find out. I'm not going to explain what is primitive type here, but uh, what type of primitive type have, I'm going to explain these things. Like we have a primitive data type is integer. One of the main primitive data type, useful primitive data type is integer. What is integer? Integer represent number. If anyone asks you, if anyone want to what is the integer, it's represent number. Okay, it's represent number. That's most important for who don't know Java. That's the most important for who don't know Java. What is integer? Okay, it's represent. So you can use for top numbering. So now we're talking about integer. So integer basically is 4 bytes. Is size of 4 bytes. Okay, and store the whole number. Store whole number from minus 2147 to plus 2147. Start from the minus 2 and plus 2147. So we're not going to go details about that. We just want to use how integer use. Okay, so now I'm going to go here, create a new Java class and call, remember capital letter, Java int. Okay, Java int. I'm going to give that int. So now we have class for Java integer. Example, we need a main method, guys, so we're going to copy, we have here integer. Okay, Java integer. Cool. So we have a Java integer here. So now example, I told you Java basically represent number. Okay, 4 bytes of things you use for is only used for number. So now how we can declare? We can internally declare same thing. We can create a variable. Earlier we show 2 plus 2 is 4 is also integer. Without quotation, if any number singleton number which is used like that, to that is also integers 4. Okay, so now we will be create some variable. So what we're going to do, we're going to call, so if you want variable for Java, if you want declare integer, you have to call int. It's called int. What are you going to say? We int banana. I'm going to say banana equal 2. Okay, and statement close. So I will say int banana equal 2. So now if I call this banana here, it will print out the 2. Let's see here, it will print out with it because banana represent this 2, and this is a piece of memory. I told you the variable is a piece of memory. Okay, while it's saving the instant some data. So now whatever the banana is representing 2. Now here if you say it banana 2 plus 2, okay, it will be print out 4 because banana is a 2 plus 2 is 4, and you can say here 2 plus 2 is 4 multiply 3. Okay, multiply 3 and run this, and it will be what, 12. I believe it will be 12 or 8 or 2. Okay, so okay, yeah, see what happened, 2 multiply 3, so what happened, as 2 multiply 6 and plus 2 become 8. So it's become 8. So now it's presenting whatever value you providing here, and you calling, and they print out the total value over here. So now we will be do some variation, string and some uh, string and integer together, make some pretty work. Okay, so now I say banana equal to, and if you go here int butter equal 3, and I can say int chili equal 4. Okay, statement close. And I'm gonna say string t total. I'm gonna say string total equal and this total. So I'm gonna say it dollar sign. It's a dollar. Okay, dollar. Okay, and I give some space here. Okay. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to say it butter banana total. Okay, my mistake here. Okay, that's here, and I'm going to call int total shop equal, so I want to call banana. Okay, banana plus butter plus 4. Okay, statement close. So I'm going set the integer total shop, what I did, banana butter chili, and here total price. Am I right? Total price price. So just think about that. I have a create a variable. I create a variable int banana equal 2, and then another int butter equal 3, and int chili equal 4. Those number, think right now, you think as a your currency. I'm in USA, I provide as a thinking as a this is $2, $3, $4 right now. So this currency I want to be total how much I shop. Oh, I should be here not 4, I should be chili, sorry. So now, so I say int because I need a number, I need to make total number. Total shop equal banana butter chili. So for right now, don't think about that. Now if I call this total shop here, if I call this total shop here, and if I run, it will be provide $7, 5 and 3 $8, 5 and 4 is $9. So run the rest, it should be here 9, provide 9, because I say banana plus butter plus chili, which is banana represent 2, butter represent 3, and chili. So now I need to this to see how actually this number works. So before that, for that reason, I'm going to say total price plus. I'm going to say if you want to print out something inside, then you have to use the plus for different variable you want to call, or a variable call. So I want to call here string variable. I say total price. So total price dollar. Am I right? So now if I run this, see, then will become before 9 will be dollar come, because I say total price dollar plus total shop, so $9. So we're making some pretty work combination of string and Java, make string and integer, make sure it looks good. So now we say double. So now if you want to use some other message, okay, so you want to price, you want to, so you can create another variable, a message variable, string variable like that, or you can provide here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna provide a double quotation, and I'm gonna plus, and inside double quotation I'm gonna write down some word. I'm gonna say t total product cost. There you go. So now if I print out now we will print out total product cost, because I already hard coded inside double quotation, plus total price, which is a dollar, then shop $9. So let's now total product cost colon $9. So now looks good printing the word. So now we just making separate each of the variable and calling this variable separate way, and you can use this. So we create a variable inside it. Now question, all those variable you want to use outside of the method, just copy this, get out from here, and this. So remember that, because the red, because those variable is not useful unless you, if it will be useful. You want to, if you want to call inside this main static method, you have to be static. So call the statics static and copy this, saving time. Static, 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 static. Problem finish. So now we today, if you run this, let me see now. So we use with total product cost $9. So now we know how to use string, integer and integer string together. So it's pretty easy, guys. Do it practice in home. Create a different variable and call this variable inside the printing system automated print line is a main method, and try to print out, and you will be, if you are basic Java worker, you will be excited for that. And make sure don't follow like exactly what I am doing. Try to do your something your own way. Create a different kind of variable, integer variable, string variable, and call and make sure that those are printing properly or not. Okay, example you can say here 2 multiply 3. Okay, then we will be like change price over here, write down over here, you can do. So try to do and make some different combination, and try to this 13 because 6 6 and 3 9, 9 and 4 13 coming. Or after that you can say is 9 and total price of a chili, total shop, you can here you can say total shop over here and calling this. So yeah, that's it guys. So today thank you so much for your patience, and feel free to ask question. If you have any question, comment section, I will be there to answer. And if you like my video, please like the press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you for next class.